Mastercam 2020 includes a number of new features and enhancements to multi-axis milling toolpaths. Deburr now includes the ability to set a climb or conventional cutting direction on the cut pattern page. Climb cuts the entire toolpath in one direction, with the tool rotating in the opposite direction to the tool motion. Conventional cuts the entire toolpath in one direction, with the tool rotating in the same direction as the tool motion. On the Advanced Auto Edge Detection page, you can now limit the detection area by a set height, or by enabling the Limit Detection Area by Height option and setting the necessary parameters. This functionality is similar to the minimum and maximum depth values on the Steep Shallow page of the 3D high-speed toolpaths. Swarf milling now includes an orientation drop-down on the Cut Pattern page. This new option allows you to choose the plane which you want to orient the operation to. Choices include WCS, tool plane, and construction plane. In previous versions of Mastercam, modifying the orientation of the operation was done on the planes page. An additional strategy option has been added to the cut pattern page as well. When using normal to guide curve, all edges are automatically obtained from the selected part surface when cutting. For more information on enhancements to mill for Mastercam 2020, be sure to visit what'snew.mastercam.com.